Did you solve this equation in less than 1 minute? That is, x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, where x is a real number. Here we have several methods to solve this, but we are going to use a very simple method here. We know that x to the power 4 is equal to x squared all is squared, since a to the power m or to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. Our m here can be 2 and n 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. You also know that 1 is still equal to 1 squared. Now we're going to replace this and this up here. We'll be having x to the power 4, we replace it by x squared all squared, that is x squared all squared, minus 1, we replace it by 1 squared. 1 squared will be equal to 0. Now, if you notice here, we have the difference of 2 squared. And we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. You need to know all these formulas. I used to give it here. You need to know them very well and know how to use them. Now we're going to apply this here. Our a can be x squared and our b here will be equal to 1. We're going to apply this up here. That is a minus b. We have a x squared minus b 1 into a x squared plus b will be equal to 0. Now at this level, if you multiply two numbers and you have 0, this means that one of the numbers must be equal to 0, since you cannot multiply maybe 1 by 2 and you have 0. But if you take 0 times something, you have 0. That is, here we'll be having x squared minus 1 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if x squared minus 1 is equal to 0, this means that x squared will be equal to 1. And if x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, this means that x squared will be equal to negative 1. And don't forget here that x is a real number. This means that this equation has no solution, since x is a real number. But if we're using complex number here, we can have some solution. We're going to continue with this one. If x squared is equal to 1, we know that x will be equal to what? I said it the last time. It can be equal to 1, or x can also be equal to negative 1. Never forget this one. Many people used to forget negative 1. Since 1 squared is equal to 1 and negative 1 squared is also equal to 1. So finally, the solution of this equation are negative 1 and 1. I hope you love this video, and if it is the case, don't forget to subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.